Hi everybody, today I'm going to show you how to make awesome necklaces out of things you may already have in your house. The materials you will need for this project is scrap cardboard, yarn, or anything you can tie something around with. I'm just using yarn today, but you could use like ribbon or twine or whatever you want, but I'm just using yarn today. You will also need a pair of scissors, and the optional things you will need are paper. This can be printing paper or regular notebook paper, and markers or crayons, a glue stick or liquid glue. Also, another optional thing to use is a hole puncher. The first thing you want to do is take your cardboard and cut out a circle. Now that you have your circle cut out, you can either leave it like this so trace your cardboard onto the paper. Cut out the drawn shape. Now take the paper and glue it onto your cardboard, wrong side up. You want to put a lot of the glue stick on there. While you're waiting for it to dry, you can wash your hands. I'm just taking one of the ends of my markers and just hitting it down. Once that's done, take your markers and color it in. Also, when you're finished coloring your pendant, an optional thing to do is cover it with one layer of transparent tape. Next, take it off and cover and tuck it under this. The tape just secures the pendant to make sure it won't get ruined, and it gives it a nice glossy look. Now take your hole puncher and punch a hole right in the top or in the center if you want. Now the last step is take the yarn, find the ends, and get a long piece. Fold this piece in half so that the two ends line up, and you should have a little fold. Take this fold and thread it through the hole that you made with your hole punch. Next, I'm just going to take the loop, stick my two fingers in there, and grab these two strands. So it's just going to look like that. So my fingers are in the loop, and I'm grabbing onto these two strands. Camera, focus. There we go. So I grabbed onto these two strands, and I'm just gonna pull this loop under, and I'm gonna pull on the thread, on the yarn, and I'm going to pull on this knot. Make sure that this will never, ever, 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 ever come undone. Ever. Hi! So now all you want to do is you have your thing here. You're just going to measure it about how long you want it and tie it. Now I'm just going to cut off the extra yarn pieces. And there you go. Your very own awesome little pendant necklace made out of recycled things. So I'm just going to try this on, even though this is for my friend. That's how you make this awesome little pendant necklace. And I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. And if you try this for yourself, give it a thumbs up as well. So have a super duper fun day, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Also, once you're done coloring it, an optional thing to do is to color it. Another optional thing to do, and it makes it looks, another optional thing to do is when you are done coloring your egg, make sure to,